Distributors. In this video, we will talk about distributors. My background includes 11 years with Southern Wine & Spirits, the #1 wine and spirits distributor in the country, and 14 years assisting suppliers to manage their distributor partners. External distributors. For our purposes in this video, external distributors refer to distributors in related industries that service the retail industry. First, I think of wine, spirits, and beer distributors. You need to give credit where credit is deserved. When a retailer orders a product from a major wine, spirits, and beer distributor, that order is delivered the very next day. If one of their products is sold out on the retailer's shelves, it is replenished the very next day. This is wonderful news for the consumer. With this delivery schedule, a properly ordered department should rarely see an out-of-stock item. We will also target food brokers and distributors. Nestle has a huge presence in the retailer. There are several merchandising companies with a major presence in the retailers. Our system will use the reps from these companies to supplement the data collected by the in-store personnel to feed data into our system. Sales support, sales force management. My background with Southern was to develop systems used to manage sales support functions and sales force management. When I started with Southern in 1985, Southern was one of nearly 30 distributors operating in California. I helped change the way that Southern did business, and that experience and knowledge will lead eRipix to revolutionize the tool set available to distributors of every size. Smaller distributors have fewer tools available to them, and larger distributors have cannibalized the smaller distributors. eRipix will provide a world-class system to distributors of all sizes. Our system will be far better than any that have been developed by the current players in the marketplace. Distributor-supplier relationship. A substantial part of my career has been handling the distributor-supplier relationship. Many distributors have websites that they use to provide data to its supplier partners, some of them called business partner exchanges. Traditionally, the data is restricted to mainframe sales data. Specific retailer data is only available through outside services like TD Links, a service owned by Nielsen and provided at a cost of millions of dollars a year. eRipix will provide consumer and retailer data to both the distributors and the suppliers. This is data that has never really been available to them in the past and will go a long way to improving their ability to better meet the needs of both the consumer and the retailer. Internal distributors. Internal distributors are corporate-owned distribution centers. These regional centers supply the warehouse items to retail outlets. These distribution centers can be huge, millions of square feet of storage. At Walmart, in theory, when a warehouse item is ordered at the store level, that product should arrive at the store on the third day. And sometimes that happens. Other times it can take several more days or even weeks for that product to arrive. If that product isn't out to the consumer, the longer lead time is unacceptable to the consumer and therefore unacceptable to the retailer, the distribution center, and the supplier. eRipix will provide better retail store data and will improve the communication between the retail stores and the distribution centers. In my role as department manager, I have seen delivery issues in my department. The solution is to call the distribution center and talk with them. I have called dozens of times and have received a busy signal every time. eRipix will allow store associates to communicate directly with the distribution center, with all communication visible to every level of management throughout the corporate structure. eRipix will improve the ordering and merchandise flow, enhance OSA achievement, and give the retail store more control of its inventory levels. This improved performance will lead to higher customer satisfaction. One of the strengths of our system will be the vast experience that I had with a top distributor in my position to be active in so many aspects of the distributor operations. I have a great understanding of the needs of the distributor, and we can meet those needs across the globe within distributors of every size in every country. This is a great opportunity for our company.